Hello, Just Jax here and welcome to my channel. I recently got some Marble Bear key rings to try and love them. I've had this for quite a few months, but I've been waiting to try and work out the best setup, and I found it. This seems to be the best setup because watching a pour from above, you don't get to see the beauty. Watching it from the side like this, you'll get to see the beauty. The most satisfying bit, watching the colour run. I picked these up from the works. As you can see, £7 each, or 2 for £12, or 3 for £15, which I didn't see that when I bought these online, so I'd have probably got 3. I just got the 2, in case one goes wrong, and because I love balloon dogs. There's something about them. So, let's crack it open. See what we got. Apparently it's these colours. We should have a balloon dog, 360ml paints, paintbrush, paper cup, paper plates, spoon, double-sided tape and instructions. So let's open it, see what we got, and see if we can do this from the angle we're working with. You do get those colours. Oh, paper plates, instructions, and a lovely bit of blue card. That might come in for something, so I'm going to keep that. Right, instructions, nice and simple. Dog, glue to plate, pour painting cup. It says stir. I don't know if I want stir. We'll see. Pour and rotate some more. I guess you use the brush to try and fill in the gaps, but with the Marble Bears I use the spoon. We'll see. And then 24 hours later we should have something pretty cool looking. So let's find out. We'll also stand that up there. So, oh, look at him. Let me move this out of the way. How cool is he? I love him already. I mean, I'm tempted to get some more of these just so I can have just a white one. I mean, he's got a fat seam running down there. I don't know if we're able to tidy that up or not. I think I'll save things like that for the next one. We'll just try this one as it is. But look at him. He's so cute. I should have got 3. I probably won't find them now, and I kind of went on a strike with the works. I did something naughty. So we have yellow, pink, and blue. We have 2 paper cups. Let's stand him around the front because he's just so beautiful. Paper plates, which he's just going to fit on, and we might get a little spill over there. We have a brush, spoon, and sticky bits to stick him to the plate. So let's stick him to the plate first. I mean, we might just need 2 of these. Yeah. Quite tight so we can minimise. Let me try and stick it to the plate first. If I want him about there. Because his nose is going to... Oh, well, if his nose drips over the edge, his nose drips over the edge. So we're going to want one there. Nope, that did not. I've had this today with more than one form of sticker. I think it's done it again. Yes, it's done it again where it doesn't actually want to come away. I think we're okay. No, we're not. Oh my days. Right, we have it that time. Thank goodness. And about there. Yeah. Hopefully by doing it this way we'll minimise what's actually going to be touching our balloon dog. Alright, stuck well enough. Okay. Let's do the fun stuff now. He's still in the middle. We'll keep the paintbrush out in case we need it. Right, let's have a look at the paint. Okay, so do we just pour it all in there? We'll do half and half. So let's, roughly anyway. Roughly half and half. So we'll go for 2 pours. It seems quite thick compared to the Marble Bear, but then the Marble Bear came out a bit more transparent than I'd like. Right, let's just do this. I'm not going to stir this one. I'm just going to pour this one. We'll see what happens. This looks really cool. We'll focus on this side first. Oh, this looks so cool. And then we'll rotate it. Oh my goodness, I was not expecting this to look as cool as it does. Right, we'll keep that there for a second. What colour did we go with first last time? I can't remember. We'll put blue in first this time. And then pink. And then yellow. Right, we'll come back to that side. Let's turn it round. Make sure you can all still see what I'm doing. Right, I think I'm going to need to... Perhaps I will need to use the paintbrush to drag this where I want to drag it. But I don't want to... I kind of want to let it just... This is going to get messy. I need to get underneath there. Has it gone under? Almost. Put you back in there. May as well. Right, I think we'll go less blue, which I can't believe I'm saying, but we have plenty of blue. I'm going to use the spoon to get where it hasn't got. Which is going to be really hard. It's going to be really hard getting the underside. Well, I want to get everywhere. I think... Let me put that spoon there because I've just got a big green mess. I think it has gone... Oh, he ain't going to stick to the plate. Right, we might actually need the paintbrush for this. So just push it under. Okay, I think we've got everywhere. I have a big mess now. This is something, well, I'm just going to put him back on there. Right. I want to get, oh, he's so cool. I don't know if I actually quite like him. Now, I have paint left. I kind of want to give him a bit more colour. Because he's gone a bit, mind you, I do love Bloom. You know what? This is how he is. We're going to leave him how he is. I'm going to try and minimise the paint pool on the bottom there and find somewhere safe to put him for the next 24 hours and clean up, because I have made, which will not be a surprise to some of you long-time viewers out there, and it won't be a surprise to some of you newer viewers out there. I'm very good at making a mess. Very good at making a mess. It's something I can specialise in. Yeah, I'm going to clean up. We'll come back. Well, we'll come back in a second for you, but 24 hours for me. And see if he looks as cool as he does right now. And I'll see if I can manage these drips a little bit. So yeah, he's looking amazing right now though. Our balloon dog is finished and looks amazing. He looks like he is a super shiny, super marbly balloon. How cool. Bring him in as far as I can. How cool does this guy look? He is beautiful. Even the feet didn't come out too bad. Just those tiny little dots there, which I will work on eliminating so he can have a nice flush finish all over. He is so pleasing to touch and to look at because he's super smooth. That paint was brilliant. I had so much fun and so much left over that I went on a pouring rampage and poured on lots of different things. I can't believe how cool he's come. How cool he's come out. I have one more. I'm going to have to find more. I wish I'd have seen that there was 3 for £15 because I'd have got 3 off the bat instead of just 2. I love these so much, and I do want to keep just a plain one or what, you know, a few to do other things too, but I also want to pour more. I've got to make him a buddy at least. He's so cool. There's like so much to look at on him. I can't believe how well he came out. I think £7 for one, because you have so much paint left over. I still had, and I still do, these bottles have still got paint in them. I still had a little over half left in all of these. And I have poured several other objects using these since, and I still have paint left. So you get given ample paint to do this with. It is so satisfying to do. And he comes out looking amazing. I can't believe that worked. To find something in this day and age that actually delivers what it promises on the front of the box is such a rarity. This is a treasure. I think 2 for £12, yes. 3 for £15, 100% yes. Even 1 for £7, it's good. Because you have so much left over to play with, and it will pique your interest in pouring. And you will become a pouring addict. Let me know what you think. Do you think he's worth it? I'll be honest with you, I think it'd be worth it just to have the balloon dog alone. And I know that is biased speaking, because I love balloon dogs. I love dogs full stop, but balloon dogs are super cool as, you know, an unreal dog option. So yeah, let me know what you think. Do you think that's come out really cool? Is there anything you do different? Have you done this sort of thing before? Did you have success? Did you not have success? Let me know. Well, thank you so much for stopping by and checking me and my channel out. I hope this has given you some ideas, giving you some oomph to go and give it a go yourself. And if not, just enjoyed seeing the beauty of paint pouring. It is messy, but that's part of what makes it so fun. If you love paint like I do, you won't mind getting paint everywhere. Like if you like what you see, comment if you've got something to say, and subscribe if you really like what you see and you want to see more. Thank you all again so much. Take care and see you in the next one.